Today we're going to be looking at the K&N filter. It's been in my system for a little over 3 months, so I'm going to get some readings from it and we're going to show you how to clean it. Here is the 3M filter that I kept when it was time to clean the K&N air filter. So I'm going to stick this in the system and we're going to look at the readings on it. It is a 3-month-old dirty filter. This is the K&N filter and what it looks like after about 3 months. So I'm going to put these in and we're going to get readings from it and then we'll clean it. Okay, I went ahead and stuck the K&N filter. Again, it's about 3 months old, so let's grab the readings from it. So now I've got the old 3M filter in there, and it seems to be reading about kind of what the K&N 3-month-old filter was. So let's go ahead and get it cleaned. First thing you want to do is take low pressure water and wet both sides. Next, you want to take the recommended K&N cleaner and spray it heavily on the dirty side. And then you're going to wait for about 2 or 3 minutes and let it soak in. Now that's been about 3 minutes, you want to turn it around and you want to rinse it from the wire side, pushing the dirt out that way. Now that you're done rinsing it, you want to shake it out as much as you can, get all the excess water out, and then we're going to prop it up and let it naturally dry in the sun. I recommend just propping it up against the house and wait a couple hours. All right, so this filter has been drying for about 2 or 3 hours and it seems like it's good to go. So now we want to take the cleaner and just lightly spray a little bit on, and then we'll put it back in the system. Let's put this filter back in. Make sure you put the metal screen up. All right, so I've got that back in and we're looking at the readings from the airflow and it doesn't seem to be any different. It seems to be about the same. Is that the best test? I'm definitely by no means an HVAC expert, but common sense tells me if it's not receiving enough air, it could put a hindering on the actual unit and it might not blow as well. All I know is that purchasing those filters every 3 months can really add up. And that was a breeze to clean, so I don't have to worry about spending all that money every 3 months. Now I did have to go buy their recommended cleaner because I want to make sure I cleaned it properly, but that still is not going to add up to what it would cost if I was replacing those filters every 3 months. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Until next time, see y'all.